If you're a home-based trader, it's likely you use charts like these. And if you're like most home traders, you find it frustrating and overcomplicated, which is not surprising because all those lines and indicators can be confusing. For instance, take a look at my screen right now. That's enough to give anybody a headache right there. As you can see, there are a ton of charts to look at. You end up with sore eyes staring at numbers and lines trying to analyse your next trading decision. And it's never quite as easy as you're told when you try to follow a system or a course, is it? But what if I told you that none of this was necessary? Sounds weird, I know. After all, surely charts are an essential part of trading because you need them to work out where the price is likely to go. Well, in fact, no. I make trading decisions every day, and I don't use any of the charts that most home traders look at. For instance, volume, you don't need it. Bollinger Bands, you don't need them. Moving averages, you don't need them. MACD, you don't need it. A mass index, you don't need it. In fact, you only need one tool in order to make your trading decisions. To find out what that tool is, click below now for more information.